Let's make extremely healthy version of mac and cheese with absolutely no compromise in taste. This recipe of mac and cheese will give you power-packed nutrition with that same cheesy, gooey, rich flavor and texture. I'm going to start with taking 2 teaspoons of quick rolled oats in a bowl, then take 10 cashews. Now, I'm using whole cashews. If you are using the split ones, please double the quantity or at least take 15. Then add 1/4 cup of boiled chickpeas or garbanzo beans. You can also take canned chickpeas here. Then take 4-inch piece of tofu, roughly crumble and add into it. Then soak everything for at least an hour or until cashew softens. Now in a separate bowl, soak 5 to 6 almonds. Well, I would recommend to either soak almonds overnight or in hot water for a couple of hours. Now I've taken 1 cup of elbow macaroni. I am going the traditional way. If you want, you can take any other pasta. Now cook the pasta as usual. That is, set some water to boil, adding 1 teaspoon oil and 1 teaspoon salt. When it starts boiling, add all the pasta and cook until al dente or 80% cooked. Then drain out all the starchy water and rinse it at least once with cold or normal water. Then strain it once more and keep it aside. Now peel the soaked almonds. So as I said, either soak almonds overnight or in hot water for 2 hours. Also, the reason behind soaking almonds separately is that almonds impart brown color in the water due to their peels. Hence, that water needs to be discarded. One more thing, not only almonds, you can also soak almonds and cashews both overnight. Alright, now take all the soaked ingredients in a blender jar and blend it until nice and smooth. Make sure your blending should give you absolutely silky smooth pasty consistency. Remember, this batter is going to replace tons and tons of cheese we traditionally use in mac and cheese, so its consistency should be exactly smooth and fine in a similar way. Okay, now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil and a small piece of butter. Vegans can skip the butter completely. Once the butter melts, pour in all the sauce we prepared. Then immediately pour in at least 1.5 glasses of water or around 300 ml water. Continuously stir for few minutes until this water and the sauce is mixed completely without any lumps. Guys, be very careful, as the moment you leave this unattended, it will start forming lumps. Now add in the seasonings. So here goes salt, some oregano, some chili flakes and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Well, you can add your favorite seasonings here, whatever herbs and spices you like. Mix everything together and let it come to one boil. This sauce doesn't take much time and tends to thicken very quickly. So as soon as you notice it has started to thicken a bit, add in all the boiled and drained pasta. Mix and coat the pasta nicely into this creamy sauce. One more thing, since this is not your melted cheese which is traditionally used in this recipe, so whenever you feel like that the sauce is becoming too thick and bulky, just go ahead and add some boiled water and you'll be sorted. Now, however, as you can see, there is literally no need of any cheese in this cheesy sauce, but still I'm going to justify the name of this recipe. I mean, as it is called mac and cheese, I'm going to drizzle a handful of shredded mozzarella on the top, just a handful of it. Vegans, you need not to worry, just close your eyes as you don't need any cheese in this recipe, so just skip it. Now I'll place the lid on the lowest heat for 3 to 4 minutes until this mozzarella melts completely, and there you go. Guys, I'm not in a position to even explain you in words how amazing this recipe comes out every time. And the best and the biggest thing is, this is absolutely healthy, guilt-free, low calories. Still no one can make out that you haven't used any such cheese here. See you next time. Bye.